How to change currency in hotels.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your currency in hotels.com app. Now the process is quite simple. What you want to do is you want to first open up your hotels.com application and sign into your account. In my case here, as you can see, I've already signed into my account. What you want to do is you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see the various options at the bottom: home, rewards, trips and accounts. Simply tap on the account option there. Now once you tap on account, you'll get various options as you can see on the screen. Now what you want to do is simply tap on the settings option there. Once you tap on settings there, it'll give you various options, and under app settings you can see their country. Now you can see my country has been set to United Kingdom and its currency is being shown in pound sterlings. So in order to change your currency in hotels.com, all you have to do is you'll have to change your country, you'll have to change your region, and your currency will be changed accordingly. Now I'll just tap on it, simply tap on it, and there what you want to do is you want to switch it. I'll just select Australia. You can see it'll ask you to sign out. Now I'll just continue it, and once you get signed out, what you want to do is you want to sign in back again. Now here I'll quickly sign into my account again. All you have to do is you'll have to sign in back to your account, and once you sign in back to your account, if you head into account options and if you head into settings option there, and you can see the region has been changed, my country has been changed to Australia and my currency has been changed to Australian dollars. So this way you can change currency. All you have to do is you'll have to change your region to the currency that you want to change to. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.